is a hidden gem with a unique cultural vibe and fascinating history. This city is best known for the Daugavpils fortress, a well-preserved 19th century military complex that now hosts the Mark Rothko Art Center. Dedicated to the world-famous abstract artist who was born here. Stroll through the city's charming streets, where you'll find a mix of architectural styles reflecting its multicultural heritage. For nature lovers, Daugavpils is surrounded by serene lakes and picturesque countryside. Whether you're diving into art, exploring history, or enjoying the peaceful surroundings, Daugavpils offers a truly authentic Latvian experience.